Hey guys, it's Layla. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a super quick get ready with me. I was contemplating whether I would be talking or doing a voiceover, but I've decided to just go ahead and talk in this video and we can just get straight into it. My hair is a mess currently. It's been a mess for about 2 weeks now, or just over a week. I've been super busy with my business and so my hair's just been chilling, looking crazy. I'm just gonna adjust the camera. Actually, what I want to do is throw on a quick wig. Yes, a quick wig, sweetie. And I'll be doing that basically. So this is what my hair currently looks like. It's still very moist. I don't know if you guys can tell. It's really moist and shiny, honey. It's giving health. Oh, I blew my hair out last week. I blew my hair out so that I could give it a trim, since it's been 5 months since I cut my hair. But yeah, so today I will be using my handy trusty headband wig because I don't have time for edges today, sweetie. So I have my Hergivenhair headband wig. If you haven't seen the video for that, I will link it there for you guys to check out. And basically, if I remember correctly, it was like a whole year ago, and I said that this is the wig for those who ain't got time for them edges, sweetie. So that's exactly why I'm wearing it. As you can see, the hair still looks amazing. It's still beautiful. It's still thick. It's still fantastic. And it is the wig I grab whenever I need to just look appropriate really quickly. Mist my hair lightly using my Dew hair essence spray. This is a black owned business. I was sent this product and I actually like it. I've used it a couple of times so far. I just like how it smells, and it does help to put a little bit of moisture back in the hair. It smells really good as well. Spray that all over, and I'm just gonna take about this much. I'm just gonna twist that loosely out of the way.
Hey, what's up?
It's my wild seed whipped shea butter in the Naked. So the Naked is the one without the essential oils.
House, whatever you're doing, I don't care.
Everything that you shine bright. You know how to spend your money, no lie. Then it come and go, no ties. You don't want nobody waste your time. Oh, say I'm only one of your types, but tonight I'm the one of your mind.
Okay, so I'm just gonna use mousse in order to lay the hair without having to lay the hair. Okay, so just gonna take some mousse, and I'm using the Camille Rose spiked bakuri mousse.
You boss it. You boss it. She's boss it. Yeah. She's boss it.
I'm just gonna mist these two bits a little bit more. And take a little bit of my whipped butter just to twist these sections up. This is actually quite a cute style, to be honest with you. My hair's not as bad of a condition as I thought it was. I could really leave the house like this and I would be happy, but we're committing to the style, the vision. So I'm just gonna wet the edges a bit more to activate the mousse in case it decided to dry up on us, and I'm gonna brush it one more time because I want it to be nice and flat. The wig looks it looks lived in. The wig looks like it's been lived in. So So for now, I'm just going to leave these as they are. And I'm going to bring it up and put the wig on. But when I wear the wig properly, I'll actually pin this to my head so that the wig can lay and not look, you know, cray cray. And for those of you who don't remember, or you haven't seen a headband wig before, it's basically a wig without all the lace business, and it has straps. Essentially, it's got a headband on it. So think half wig with a hairband already attached to it, okay? And I'm literally only putting this wig on so we can style it, we can refresh it. To refresh my wig, I'm going to be using my Aunt Jackie's Moisture Quench, but first I'm just going to dampen the hair a little bit, not too much because I don't want it soaking dry. So I'm just going to take some of this, a nice liberal amount. I don't want to drop some on my beautiful, yep, there we go. It's coming off my head already, guys. Honestly, we're going to style it by hand. I'm going to take a little bit more. I'm going to rest it on my knee. Take a little bit, take a little bit more. And go in on the other side. So I think what I'm gonna do is, yeah, I'll let the leave-in soak in. I'll comb the leave-in through, and then while it's like this, then I'll do my makeup. Got my detangling brush, and you guys will be able to see how it's holding up. And Hergivenhair actually does have a Black Friday sale on if you guys are interested. I know a lot of you find their units expensive. I mean, I can't post a video without someone telling me. And each time I'm like, yeah, I know, right? I know, guys, don't worry. Me too, I know. Like, we both know. But I would say that the value is definitely there because their wigs do last. Look at that. It's just gliding through. Their wigs do really last. The quality is amazing, and like I said, I've had this for I think maybe just over a year now. The camera just wants to really focus on me today, but yeah, the hair's really held up.
Want me come and love you, and the only time she call my phone, but she wanna get the yum, yum, yum. Yeah, you boss it. You boss it. She's boss it. She's boss it. Anywhere she goes, she's boss it. When you see her walk, she's boss it. Anywhere she goes, she's boss it. When you see her walk, she's boss it. She my number one, yeah, you boss it. Myself to you, I give my all to you. Nobody ever see me like this. No time I ever feel like this. Wonder how you got me so deep. Just a little taste, now I'm OD. Say make I give you babies with no ties. When I'm in your bed, you freak me so nice. You're the number one in the whole town. You're the number one in the whole town, yeah. Well, I know what you want. Want me love you till you know. Time you call my phone, but she wanna taste the yum, yum, yum. Yeah, you boss it. You boss it. She's boss it. Yeah. She's boss it. Anywhere she goes, she's boss it. When you see her walk, she's boss it.
So yeah, as I mentioned, Hergivenhair do have a Black Friday sale on. If you're looking to invest in an investment piece, honey, because it's an investment piece. And yeah, I'm off. I'm getting my Invisaligners today. So excited. But thank you guys for joining me on my Get Ready With Me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any questions for me, any requests, anything like that, let me know below. And I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
You know how to spend your money, no lie. Then it come and go, no ties. You don't want nobody waste your time, oh. Say I'm only one of your types, but tonight I'm the